Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this work light, which I think it's a really good thing to have, not only for emergencies, for example, but also if you like to kind of like get into those do-yourself DIY projects yourself and actually have something that can guide you at night or something like that. If you, for example, if I want to do something right here on my truck and I need to get down on the floor, I don't have a really good light, this work light is going to help me with that. Because the first thing that I really like about this is that it's solar. It has a solar panel right here. You can see it has a solar panel. This actually has inside a 12,000 milliamperes battery that I'm going to show you in a few seconds why it's also good to have. But the best thing about this is it comes with 5 modes that you can actually work with it, which is the middle of the day now, so you're probably not going to see how good this is. But for example, first thing, it comes with this handle right here that you can take with you on the go, or you can actually use it to put it on the floor just like that. It also comes, let me show you why this is why I was saying that it's so important to have a 12,000 milliamperes battery, because this thing right here, it comes with a USB-A and a USB-C, meaning that you can actually use this to charge your phone as well. So if you're kind of like working outside or something like that right here at night on my truck or something like that, or I'm camping or fishing or something like that out there in the woods or in the outdoors, this thing actually can help me to charge my phone as well. So how does it work? Besides the handle right here, oh, and by the way, it also comes with a screw right here, so you can actually attach it to a tripod if you need. But let me actually show you. This is super simple. So it has a button right here that you're gonna be using for changing the mode, and you're gonna see right here that has one LED mode, the other one with both lights, a dim one, and then something super cool. It's the sound of La Police. So one more time, this is mode number 1, this is number 2, 3. So you can see right here, dim, and then as I was telling you before, it's the sound of La Police. Let's go to an actually darker place so you can see this better. Okay, let's do this. Number 1, you can see how bright this is. Number 2, number 3, 4, and then, as I was saying before, this is super cool. Having this light right here, having the chance to actually use this just like this, I think it's awesome. So I really like this one. I think it's super convenient to have, not only for emergencies, but also working in places. It's solar, 100 watts, and it comes with a 12,000 milliamperes battery for charging devices. For sure, this is a really good one. Thumbs up, recommended. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.